All right, this is going to be like an advanced version. So the other one was what modern kids, modern band called beat number 6. This comes after beat number 6, but it's really, really similar. So we're going to start with this over here and put my boot back on here. Okay, and please forgive if my boot picks up, I end up getting a lot extra cymbal noise. But it's the same. It's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. I'm going to play the bass drum. 1, 2, 3 and. That's the only difference of this whole thing. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3 and 4. 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 So the only thing you got to add to that is the 1 and 2 and, which does not change. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 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 All right, impress me. Next time I see you, you ought to be able to do that one.